All right, so this is a session recap for the 19th day of November. Today is, yeah, okay, see you in platinum. 19th day of November, and we are in a FOMC is today. It's a minutes. It's not a rate increase or decrease. It's just the minutes from the last one, but it does affect the market, all right? So dollar is currently going to the upside, showing no sign of slowing down. So we're going with dollar positive. Can't trade the euro because the ATR is too small. Pound dollar went to the downside to the pip to its ATR. That's why you trade to the ATR. All right, so watch for it to come down here to the day chart bottom at 30.11 tonight. All right. Over to dollar Swissy. Can't trade it, but it helps us understand the dollar. Yep, dollar is going up. All right. And it's right at a level, as you can see right there, where it might just stop. All right. So, but it is going up. MACD showing no sign of coming down. You're a buyer. That means dollar yen to the upside. We actually checked the indices today, and that's exactly what the indices said to do. All right. So there we go. And dollar went up to the pip to its target. Nobody traded it, even though we talked about it. It was a blog post yesterday, everything. Nobody traded it. Look for the 2.618 tonight at 157.38. Probably go to 157.50. Euro yen, oh, I never got a chance to do that, but it's headed up. All right. And this is a little strange because dollar, pound yen, and euro yen typically go opposite of the dollar. Gee, I wonder if Scott got the day chart top right. I don't know if that's Scott. He's so lucky. Look at that. I don't know. I know he doesn't know where the day chart top is. See that? Your work is important. All right. To the pip to it. Close and reverse right off of it. Didn't get the target. Well, they only had 6 pips. Yeah, but they hit the day chart top and stopped dead. All right. So watch for the pullback or above the zero line. Watch for the pullback and go again. All right. And you could trade it to the upside if you get a chance tonight. Not now. It's too late in the day. All right. Aussie yen, you can trade this. Aussie yen right up to its target and close and reverse to the downside. Did its ATR. I wonder if that ATR is worth watching. I don't know. Looks like it is. All right, tonight, watch for it. We're right here at equilibrium. You can see it right there. So this is a good place to sit and wait for FOMC tonight or this afternoon. Euro Aussie. All right, Euro Aussie back up to the top. We traded this live this morning and we're waiting for it to keep coming down. Right now, it's having trouble. If it pops up here, I take it off. All right, just remember. All right, I'm looking for it to come down. The target is down here at 77.44. Will it come down? I don't know. Swiss yen. All right, we're waiting for it to make the turn and come down. All right, we need a right shoulder in here. Actually, we need another high because we need a triple top in here. And the reason we need a triple top is because of all that money that came in sustained. It never stopped. We're in an extreme area up here, right? So you don't want any buys up here, but if you get the sells, you really will be interested to it. So if it comes down here, breaks the zero line to the downside, I'd certainly consider trading it to the downside, right? So I'm going to change this fib now. Get on it. And I'm going to put the fib from the swing high to the swing low right here. All right. And you're looking for it to come down at least to the 50. All right. Maybe all the way to the 618. So you can make that decision right in there. But don't be a buyer, be a seller. You don't want to be a buyer in an extreme area. You want them to come back where they got data. They now have data because they have a swing high, swing low. So now they got data to the downside. Nothing to the upside, but data to the downside. You got to close and reverse right now. You got to close and reverse there, and you got to close and reverse there, all to the downside with lower highs. What are they telling you? We're trying to go down. Once they break in this area, there's a big opportunity there, and they may just scream this thing all the way back down here. All right, whatever they did here is what they usually do over here. See that? All right, over to pound Aussie. All right, tried to trade this morning. It did go back up. It's now stalled out. It's stalled out at equilibrium also right there. All right, so they can do that or that when FOMC comes out. All right, wait for it. All right, the target is to the downside because the structure is down. Target is at 201.33. You're in New Zealand. All right, you're in New Zealand. Got a rising wedge in it right here. Let me take it a little lower to a 30. It's easier to see. All right. So once you get this trade, it's a real estate of the week trade. You want to hold it all the way down to here, down to 2,000. We're currently sitting at 2,589. So there's 589 pips to the downside from here. All right, if you get the sell. They already tried it once, we're not successful. MACD is already pointing the way down, telling you you're going down with a rising wedge, which is a sell sign. All right, so watch for it, wait for it, come break out in here, and now you're interested. You're especially interested below this bottom. That right there is what you're really interested in. That means that trade 1 is here and trade 2 is here. Yeah, but what if the ATR isn't that far? Well, then trade it intraday and then hold for the whole thing. Pound New Zealand. All right, pound New Zealand, and we are almost a target here to the upside. We'll probably hit that by this afternoon up there. Then watch for the sell-off. Why would I watch for that? Because I'm at a top. I'm at a top. See? Watch for the sell-off. New Zealand yen. Come on. New Zealand yen. It made the turn, and watch for it to come down. I've watched for the 86.84 tonight. All right. So right here, you're at equilibrium for FOMC. See that? Right there. All right. So you had a little false breakout right there. You got a close and reverse, pretty dramatic right there, showing you we're trying to do this move. MACD is rolling over to the downside. So watch for that coming down to 86.84 tonight. Nice little trade. That's not a big trade, but it's a nice little trade. We'll see what happens. All right.